Episode 20, Energy Efficiency and AI, Building Smarter, Greener Projects. Welcome back to Sampson Construction TV. Construction isn't only about strength, it's also about sustainability. Clients today want buildings that perform better and cost less to operate. That's where AI is driving the future of energy-efficient design. First, AI models energy use. Before construction even begins, AI predicts how a building will perform, tracking heating, cooling, and lighting needs to reduce waste. Second, AI optimizes systems in real time. Smart sensors adjust HVAC, lighting, and water usage as conditions change, keeping efficiency high and costs low. Third, AI supports green certification. From LEED credits to carbon reduction goals, AI ensures projects meet the strictest sustainability standards. At Sampson Construction, we believe building smarter means building greener. With AI, we create spaces that save money, protect the environment, and stand the test of time. Because the future of construction is not just durable, it's sustainable.